All right, y'all. We are live on this beautiful Thursday afternoon. Blessings to everybody. In the name of Yeshua, Jesus, the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray everybody is super blessed. Make sure to FOMO into the like button, y'all. Make sure to FOMO into the like button. Let's see if we can't get a lot of likes. Alright, let's see if we can't get a lot of likes. Shout out to Crypto Pump It in the chat. Shout out to Professional Crypto. Shout out to Muhammad. Was that dump a liquidity grab? Well, so far, my friend, it looks like yes. Alright, we had some nice liquidity to be grabbed at 27,500. A CDW, my friend. The liquidity has been taken. The question is, are we going to pump from here? All right, we're going to be getting into that, guys. We're going to be getting into that. As you can see, we came up to yesterday's box, and that is where we rejected from. We are currently getting a move to the upside right now, and we're going to talk about what we can expect moving forward here. Shout out to Adita Raj, the dump song. Shout out to Crypto Al, what's going on, my man? Shout out to Josh McWilliams. Shout out to Pike379. Shout out to all the watchers. We got about 200 people in here. Let's see if we can't get the likes up to the watchers. Shout out to Space Lord. He says, Happy Baby Friday, Dom Pete. Nice, nice. Trader Geo says it probably depends. Well, yeah, it does. It does. Y'all know what it is, Trader Geo. Alright, guys. So, we have come down to a key area of support right here. The daily level, the golden pocket, the naked daily point of control. And I hope I'm about to hit a take profit on this. Come on, baby. I'm in a long as, I'm trying to hit a take profit here. I might have to FOMO out, to be honest with you. I might have to FOMO out. We're going to be taking a look, guys, at the order flow chart. We're going to be taking a look at a lot of different charts here. Woof. All right, I have to be honest with you guys. This is not looking too bullish right now. It's not looking too bearish either. But, look, I actually, dang it, I was hoping I wouldn't have to FOMO out. Might have to FOMO out of this CDW, man. Alright. We'll wait and see how it goes here. We'll wait and see how it goes. Oof! Not looking so great, man. Look at that. This is called market maker manipulation at its finest. Look at that. Take profit was missed twice. Can you even believe it? Dang it, man. Well, dang. Well, dang. That's not cool, huh? That's really not cool, huh? Take profit missed. Take profit missed. Might have to just FOMO out of this one. I'm not trying to take a loss from this account. Dang, man. All right. We're gonna have to FOMO out if we don't bounce from the golden pocket. Or 786. Let's pull a fib from this local area. Ugh, man, it doesn't look so good, does it, guys? Looks like Garbaggio. Let's put on our 786 fib here. Oof, that's coming back to retest the daily, honestly. Alright. Alright. I'm gonna take a big loss, man. That's gonna be a big loss. Alright. Let's see if the golden pocket gets tapped. We're tapping it now. We're gonna bounce, we're gonna dump. Looks like we're dumping right through. Oh man. Oh no. Oh. Oh no. Come on. Come on! Come on, golden pocket! Give me that bounce, baby! Come on! Come on! Maybe if we turn up the music a little, it'll help. How epic is this? Ah! No! Ah! Come on, Bitcoin. Bouncing from the 786. Retest of the daily. Come on. We're fumbling around. All right, it's not looking so great, guys. Dang. All right, okay, we're losing the 786. All right, let's see. We're coming to that daily. We got to keep our eyes on the daily here. All right, I am negative $400 in the red, guys. All right. That daily. That's going to be the level of demarcation for me, man. Now, I do have to say, we have a 786 just below us. Would be a shame. Would be a shame. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. No! Ah! Crap, we just hit the daily. Oof! Oh my goodness. Let's see here. We tap that daily again. Ah! All right, we're actually, believe it or not, bam, look at that. Look at that! A stop hunt right into the 786! Oh no! Can you believe that, guys? Stop hunted right into the 786. Oh my goodness. Man, My goodness, guys. Crap. All right, well, just lost like almost $1,000, like $900. Oh my goodness. Jeez. Shouldn't have done that, man. Shouldn't have done that. Shouldn't have done that, but it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. It is what it is, man. Now look, we are getting a little bit of a bounce-a-roni and queso right from the 786. Alright. What do I mean by that? Well, we have come down to the 786 fib level, and we got a bullish div on the 1 minute. We've got a bullish div on the 6 minute. Right? And let's check out our 12 minute. We've got a bullish divergence on the 12 minute. Man. All right. Shout out to everybody in the chat right now. Shout out to Player One. Today's giveaway canceled. Yeah, maybe. Can stop losses get skipped and get liquidated? Not if you use a good exchange. Shout out to J-Boy Bullish. Shout out to the Casper crew. All right, guys, this is a nice, in my opinion, a little bit of a bounce-a-roni queso. Right? This, I probably just got stop hunted. You know what I'm saying? I probably just got stop hunted. Alrighty. Shout out to everyone in chat. We're going to get into this Bitcoin TA, guys. Man, I got stop hunted, and now it looks like we're pumping, baby. Now it looks like we are pumping like a wild woman in distress. Alright. Alright, here we go, baby. So, what do I think is going to happen here? Well, honestly, guys, we have pretty bullish divergences. That's why I was long. And I think we have continued. I think it still looks kind of bullish here. I'll be honest with you. This actually still looks pretty nice right now. This looks pretty nice right now. We've got a bullish divergence on the 12-minute time frame. All right, let's go over how do we end up in this dang predicament in the first place? All right, how did we end up in this dang predicament in the first place, right? How do we end up shorting Bitcoin this morning from 28,100? Which, honestly, I better take some dang profits on this one. All right. Righty. There we go. Was hoping actually to hold this for a bit longer with a bigger position size, but because I took the loss, I have to pay myself back here. All right. I have to pay myself back here. Okay. How did we end up here in the first place? Let's discuss. Let's discuss. We're going to start on the daily time frame. Because Bitcoin's been playing games with our heart. We're going to get into some other assets as well. Alright? Now, if we take a trend line from this high and connect it here, you know, as we've been saying for quite some time, it doesn't take a medical professional, trained doctor, expert virologist, nor does it take the President of the United States, nor does it take an expert climate scientist to understand that this trend line is one of the most important trend lines that Bitcoin has been trading this entire year of 2023. It was our resistance, it was our support, it was our resistance again, and we are currently breaking out and getting a retest. We are seeing bullish money flow on market cipher B, okay? But something happened, all right? As we were trading, well, look, I'm actually still in the long. We can go all the way down to here. From 25, oh, I better erase these limit orders. I have them stacked. That's not good. Yeah, I better delete them. Long from 25,022. All right. This was the setup from the Casper crew, looking to take that long. All right, 24,925. When we came down to that exact level, what did we see on market cipher B? We were seeing bullish divergences. Okay? When we go to the 4-hour time frame, what were we seeing? We were seeing, as the price was getting lower into key support, money flow getting higher, momentum waves getting higher over time, giving us the bullish Sam Bankman-Fried man boob pattern. All right, it was looking extremely bullish as we came down to this area. Now the problem is, on Monday, as we were pumping up, right, we were pumping, having a good time, we smacked right into this right here. This right here, okay? The Fibonacci golden pocket retracement. Now, as you guys know, the 618 golden pocket, that is my high school crush. Her name is 6Juanita. I had a huge crush on this chick back in high school. Okay? Back in high school, had a huge crush on this chick. Turns out I was in something called the friend zone. And so she rejected me when I asked her out. Boom! Look at that rejection right there. Okay? Now, the reason why she rejected me is because there was another man in her life. All right? There was another man in her life. Let's take a look. All right? She wasn't into nice guys like your boy Jason Casper, no. She was into bad guys. Criminals, actually. The kind that launder money, steal money from people, and give it to their friends in the Bahamas. That's right, she was in love with Sam Bankman-Fried. Now, Sam Bankman-Fried, as you guys know, we are always watching his chest to see if we're going to get the bullish pattern on market cipher B. But sometimes you will see Sam Bankman-Fried hanging upside down from the ceiling. And if we take a look at his chest from this angle, we can see money flow and momentum waves are getting lower as price is getting higher. So 6Juanita, my high school crush, she was not into me. She was definitely into Sam Bankman-Fried, which is why she rejected me. And we came down toward this level right here. Okay, we came down toward this level right here. Now, yesterday, if you were watching the live stream, all right, we were saying if we get a move to the upside, there's a chance that we could put in now a lower high into this area right here, all right? Because once again, here's the thing, I don't learn, right? Even though 6Juanita rejected me this one time up here, right? Even though she rejected me from up here, well, I'm the kind of guy, I will try again. So I did, I tried to ask her out again. Right, now this time, I thought she was actually going to go out with me, but she rejected me once again. Now, these were the setups we were looking for this morning in the Casper crew to take the short trade from the 6Juanita around that area. And also, we're looking in the Casper crew to take the long trade from the trade I just got stopped out of. All right. Well, dang, guys. You know, well, dang. Shout out to the Casper crew. A little bit of a rough day today. For me, I actually took 2 losses today. I longed twice and got wrecked twice. I'm in a slight profit for the day, around a break even, to be honest with you. Now let's see what happens as we're getting the CDW of the CDW. All right, let's see what happens as we get the CDW of the CDW. Now, here's the thing. If we can hold above the level of 27,509, more upside is definitely possible here. But we're going to have to see if that is possible. All right? We're going to have to see if that is possible. Now, here's the make it or break it zone for me, okay? What's happening right now, the past few days for Bitcoin, right? We have been basically breaking out and retesting that trend line. And so, for me, I'm still interested in the same levels that I've been interested for the past few days here, right? As long as we don't lose this key area, we have a Fibonacci golden pocket, and we have the retest of the trend line, and we have the value area high right in here, all right? The price is between 26.8 and 27.1, right? For me, as long as we don't lose this, this could still be a bullish retest, in my opinion. Why? Why could it still be a bullish retest? Well, we know that although 6 Juanita rejected us once, right here, and then just this morning, again, I asked her out on a date, and she rejected me again the second time, she will oftentimes be there to offer you support. All right, she will be there to offer you support when you need a shoulder to cry on. So if we come back down to this 6 Juanita area, right, we will then take all the liquidity from the lows that we put in this week, right? And if we do so with bullish divergences, all right, bullish divergences, like what kind of bullish divergences? Something like this, man. Whereas the price is getting lower into that area, we are seeing market cipher B giving us the bullish Sam Bankman-Fried pattern. That could be the trigger we need to actually get into a long. Now, man, I'll be honest with you guys. I almost longed this yesterday. I actually planned for it. Would you believe that, man? Welcome to the Flop and Grope Show with Jason Casper. Look, I planned for it yesterday morning, right? I was planning to long 27,350, but then what happened is I didn't really see what I wanted to see, so I said I'm not interested in longing. I'm scrapping that plan, looking for lower, right? Well, didn't take that long yesterday, but then today, the long trade I was looking for, you know, I tried to take it, didn't work out so well. All right, the short trade worked out well, but I also today took this long trade from VWAP thinking we'd get a quick bounce. Bam, took a loss on that one. Right, the CDW, it turned out kind of well. If I had taken profit, I could have gotten a profit, but you know, I didn't take profits, guys. I was shooting for a little bit higher. You saw my TP levels. All right, so are we getting a bounce right now? Well, maybe. Let's take a look here. Let's take a look at the order flow. Let's actually go to something called coinalyze.net. Hang on, I gotta load it up here. Let's go to Coinalyze. And let's see what is actually happening here. Is there anything kind of bullish about this bounce? Well, the fact that we did a liquidity grab right here, that is bullish, honestly. But let's first take a look at market cipher B, all right? Let's zoom into the 6-minute time frame and let's figure out what is going on here. Now, first of all, we know that the bigger level right now to be aware of is actually going to be this one right here. This is going to be the level to be aware of. 27,509. That's going to be our key level. A move above 27,509 is going to be good. All right, this is the old CDW. This is now going to be our key level. All right, we have 12-minute BitBoy butt cheeks here. 12-minute BitBoy butt cheeks, but money flow is getting lower. Sorry, 6-minute BitBoy butt cheeks, but money flow is getting lower. We have a 12-minute bullish divergence and a 24-minute bullish divergence. I'd say That's not a bad thing to see. That's actually a good thing to see. Now, right now, we have literally no signs of strength here. Right? We have no signs of strength. We haven't changed market structure at all. Right? We're continuing to make lower lows and lower highs. Let's see what happens as the price comes into this area right here, the retest. All right, let's go down to the 1 minute time frame and pull a fib here to see if we can see anything of interest. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and draw a little box in the area that titillates my fancy. All right, this is the fancy titillation zone. The FTZ, as it's called, us professionals call it the FTZ. What we would want to see actually is I would want to see shorts actually getting trapped in this area, right? For a strong entry. Now, there's a number of ways to trade this, right? You might just say, hey, you know what? I'm gonna go for it because I see the bullish divs on Market Cypher. Okay, I'll be honest though. Until we reclaim this level here, 27,505. Until we reclaim 27,505, guys, it's not the most bullish thing because we need that sign of strength. But I do have to say, the 1 minute looks good, right? 1 minute looks good. If we enter here, let's say we do, right? We got to make sure our stop's below the low. That's a 0.4% stop. That's kind of big. Got to do your position size accordingly. Take profit 1 should be at the VWAP. That's a 2-to-1, almost a 3-to-1 risk-reward ratio right there. That's almost what that is. So that's not so bad, right? If our risk management is on point. If our risk management is on point. If we wait for the claim of the level, then we're going to have a 0.6% stop loss. And up to VWAP, that's going to give us a 1.35 risk-reward ratio. Not the best, but here's the thing. We also understand that because the higher term timeframes, like the 1 hour, are potentially giving us a bullish divergence, the 30-minute potentially giving us a bullish divergence, the 24-minute potentially giving us a juicy bullish divergence, the 12-minute giving us a potentially very bullish divergence, because there's the potential, and we see these divergences here all the way down to the 1 minute, we might say, you know what? This could be a significant bottom, in which case we could even target a new high, right? We could target a new high, probably higher than this last one, because if indeed this was the proper retest, we could be looking now for continuation, right? It's a lot of if-then scenarios. Depends on how you view it. It depends on how you're going to manage your risk. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Ben Armstrong butt cheeks now. Yeah, you can't call them big boy butt cheeks anymore. You got to call them BACs. Ben Armstrong butt cheeks. Ben Armstrong butt cheeks, baby. Ben Armstrong butt cheeks, baby. I do think Bitcoin can get a move to the upside here. I'll be honest with you. I think it could. I think it could. I would like to see a claim of that level there. You know, I would like to see that. I would like to see that. And if we do get a move up, now, once again, we have to be aware of the Fibonacci golden pocket, right? Because this has been happening this entire time right now, right? Going all the way back from hang on. Let's get to this. Let's clean up the chart, right? The first rejection that we got here from the Fibonacci golden pocket, right? The second rejection that we got here from the Fibonacci golden pocket, right? We zoom in, we can see rejection number 1 from the Fibonacci golden pocket right here. Rejection number 2 from the more local Fibonacci golden pocket. And so we need to go down to the 15-minute and be thinking to ourselves, if we get a move to the upside, we can be looking for another rejection from the Fibonacci golden pocket. And we are starting to claim this level. We are starting to claim the level, at least on MEXC and on Bybit. Looking strong, baby. Let's see if we can't get a little push-a-roni up to the up. Up and up, baby. Up and up. Dang, you know. This music is getting me hyped, guys. This music is getting me pretty hyped. All right, this is the key level that we got to watch out for, all right? It's the key level. Now, how did I get into this short trade? Let's talk about that. All right. Quite simply, we were coming up to the zone that we were looking to short this morning, which was this, right? This whole area right here, right? This whole area right here we were looking to short. So for me, there wasn't too much that made me want to get short here, except that we were at a level. But once we put in that second high, right? Let's take a look at this. Once we put in that second high, we did so with bearish divergences on Market Cypher, right? So a good trade entry, one of my favorite trades to get into, is when price makes a slightly higher high, but Market Cypher B is making the lower high, especially with the money flow and the momentum, which we were right here, right? Ever so slight. Money flow getting lower, momentum was getting lower on the 1 minute. It was also looking pretty nice. Look at that. We came in for that second high. The money flow coming out like crazy. That's a pretty good probability setup there. That's a pretty good probability setup in my opinion. Very easy to take. The reason why it's called a chicken's drinking water trade setup is because it looks like a chicken drinking water. Right? It looks like a chicken drinking water. Let's say that this was the water level right here. 28.086. Right? The price just dips its wick above and then laps it on down. Just like the way a chicken drinks water. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at a chicken drinking water. I watch this video every day. Watch this video every single day. Watch how the chicken drinks, right? She's going to take her beak and she's going to shove it down into the water like this. Bam! Then she's going to pull it back. Lap it up. That's exactly what the price does here. Right? That honestly makes for a really nice trade setup. All right. Bitcoin's starting to get a little pumperoni. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. All right, now we need to really be watching here. Yeah, this looks like what we did before, guys. This looks like what we did before here, right? We got the little bounce, and we made a little scoop the loop and then drop. Got a little bounce, a little scoop the loop. Let's check out what's happening on Coinalyze once again. Honestly, not looking so good. Open interest is flat. CBD getting higher. It's not looking the best, guys. It's not looking the best. It's not looking the best. If you run fast, it will pump faster. Shout out to Kick Drum. If I run fast, it'll pump faster. 27,200 is the next bounce zone, says Saturday Morning Hero. 27,200. What do we have at 27,200? Let's see. Let's see. I don't have anything there. Have a level at 27.1. Down to 26.8-ish. Yeah, let's see if we can't get a move down to that zone. You know, that could be nice. But my level was front run 2 days ago. Maybe I'm front run again, man. But we have the 12-minute green dot a-printing, baby. So let's see if we can't get a little bit more juice on this Bitcoin bounce. All right, let's see if we can get a little bit more juice on this Bitcoin bounce. This is a bounce. Yeah, this is a bounce here. But, you know, so is this. So is that. But yeah, I like the way this looks. I'll be honest with you guys. This is the kind of thing that I would long. You know, we got a local CDW. Literally the opposite of what happened up at top, right? We got a local CDW here with bullish divergences. The opposite of what happened up here, right? I can't give financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Right? I just took a loss alive. But we literally have the opposite of what happened at the top now happening down here, right? We bottomed out in the zone of support. We got a local CDW with bullish divergences on the 24-minute time frame and down. You know, that to me looks bullish. I think we can... I do think we can see more upside here. I really do. All these indicators, tools, and signals, yet we are flopping and groping. Well, man, I'll be honest with you. I had a flopping and grope kind of day today. You know, it happens, man. It happens, bro. It happens to all of us. It happens to all of us, right? You know what happens to me? And let me know if this happens to you guys too. All right? You get in the groove of the trades, and then all of a sudden you miss one. Like I missed one yesterday. I missed the long. And when you miss that trade, like I missed the long from yesterday, when you miss that trade, it throws you out of the groove, right? So, yeah, it's been that kind of day for me, man. But here's the thing, it happens to everybody, and here's the other thing. You know, I'm taking trades on YouTube, so my flopping and groping is exposed to the world. Shout out to Ben. All right, here we go, baby. Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Get a little pump, baby. Get a little pump right now. Yeah, guys, we got about 800 people in here, about 200 likes. Let's see if we can get a like for the flopping and groping. Shout out to Divine Hood. We need to watch for the bearish backtest of the channel. If we reject, we continue down. What's the channel, Divine Hood? Oh, I see. You talking about this? This channel? Shout out to Maxstro. Shout out to DGen Dynasty. Yeah, DGen Dynasty, I mean, I feel you. I don't usually use channels. Divine Hood is a beast with his channels. Like, seriously. Like, the dude is a channel master. He's a channel master. Shout out to Splashfire Films, who's powerlifting right now, watching the stream. I hope you enjoy the music. It's pretty epic. Shout out to Crypto Incognito. Alright, let's check out what's happening here. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. Man, I would love another low. I would love another low. Let's see if we can't get another low. That could be nice. We've got a little box down here, and the box looks nice. The box looks nice. Let's take the lows. That's what I was waiting for all day yesterday, and it never happened. That's why I didn't long here. I was waiting for lower. Let's take the lows, man. Let's take these lows. I would love to take the low. Alright, so if we come down to that low, man, I will definitely look for another long. Hope I don't get wrecked again. I don't think I will. I'm gonna long it from this account right here. I've got it locked and loaded. See if I see a CDW. Alright. We want to take these lows right here. Boom. And we've got some levels down there as well. We go to the daily time frame. We've got a daily order block there. That's actually pretty low, that daily. Right here. 26,903. And then right around 27,115, we also have high volume node. Right around here. So this box is a box of interest for me. It's a box of interest for me. All right, let's see what happened just now. All right, little bounce actually from the golden pocket zone. It looks nice, doesn't it? It actually looks pretty nice here. We got a bullish div, right? Higher low into the golden pocket with a trigger wave, money flow continuing to get higher. I just wish that we were at a key level. Like, that's the thing, we're not really at a key level that I know of. Not at a level that I know of. We're not seeing any kind of shorts being absorbed at the low. Actually, looks like maybe we are a little bit here. Looks like maybe we are a little bit. Maybe we are, you know, maybe this is gonna be it, man. Maybe this is gonna be it. We would want to see, honestly, like, more confirmations, better levels. More confirmations, better levels. We have an inverted head and shoulders. That's what some people may say here. Is this a point of control? All right. If this is a point of control, let's check it out. From the high? Nah, it's actually not a point of control, but it looks to be. Yeah, it doesn't look like anything, man. I'll be honest. What kind of point of control is it? All right. Shout out to Basketball. He says, can you guys look in Bitcoin TA on Discord because I didn't short earlier. Now I'm wondering if I read CBD wrong. Tag me in there, my friend. Tag me in there. Guys, we got about 970 people. About 345 likes. Let's see if we can't get the likes up to the watchers. Let's see if we can't get the likes up to the watchers. What is a CDW? It's a liquidity grab. It's a chicken's drinking water. Go back in the stream a little bit and I discuss exactly what a CDW is. All right, we're starting to get some pig niplets here. Some pig niplet divergences going on. What are the TP levels on this trade? Well, I've got a whole bunch set along the way down. That's kind of how I do it. Once I get into a trade, I just set TPs along the way down. This one I'm looking at as a potential major swing trade. Like, honestly, I have TP set all the way down to 2284. 22084. Because I'm looking at this as like really a potential. Like, here's the thing. Yes, I know I've been bullish on Bitcoin, but look, could this have really been? Could this have been the lower high? Maybe, right? Maybe. So I'm taking these trades with that in mind, right? I'm taking those trades with that in mind. Let's go to the Bybit chart, actually. But my next local target right now is going to be... My next local target now is going to be 27,150. 27,150, my next local target. Let's see where the volume is on Bybit here. Oh, wow, yeah, okay, so... Yeah, if we're not able to break above this level, not only did we reject from the golden pocket retest, it was the POC as well. So, look, if this really was a lower high in the beginning of a downtrend, I want to be short as heck, man. Short as heck. So, I've got the TP set, you know? Do I use high block capital? I don't really. Shout out to Aircam Trader. What is going on, Aircam Trader? Looking ultra buff, jacked, man. Hope you're doing good, man. Yo, oh, you think I'm jacked too? Well, thanks, bro. You know, we both Myron. We both Myron. All right. Yeah, I used to use high block capital. It's just too much. Before I had Coinalyze, it was Exo Charts. It was Exo Charts that had up. Good old Exo Charts. Okay, something's happening here. Look at this tight consolidation. Look at this tight Bitcoin consolidation right here. Something is about to take place. Something is about to go crazy right now. Let's see what happens here. Let's put on our 1 minute, our 2 minute market cipher. Let's put on our 6 minute market cipher. Money flow's coming down. It makes me think we can get another drive and take those lows, man. It makes me think we can hit the Target. Oh, man. Okay, we're dumping a little bit. Come on. See if we can't hit our white box, baby. We got people closing their trades, shorts closing out, longs closing out. Everyone's on lunch, I guess. New York's on lunch right now. New York is on lunch right now. This is actually a quite interesting little formation going on here. Yeah, that's actually super nice. Let's see if we can't hit this target right now, guys. And maybe we can get a bounce from our target. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Tempting, actually. That's tempting. I almost closed on my trades, but that's tempting. I could just walk away today with, you know, 8 grand, I guess. Around that, right? Yeah, about that, about 8 grand. Tempting, you know? Maybe I'll take my wife on a vacation. Shout out to CF. CF was 80K profit. Capitulation music. Yeah, let's see. I don't have capitulation music, unfortunately, guys. Shout out to my man in the chat, Sam. What's going on, Sam? Sam says he closed the long right when I opened the short. That's great, man. Shout out to Sam. Thank you so much for the super chat. The love affair continues. Bro, we're just going to keep passing back and forth the $100. Everyone go check out and subscribe to Crypto Lifer. Bro, I just got wrecked on stream. I just took like a $900 loss on stream, bro. You know, it happens. It happens. But, you know what? Still in the green for the day, man. Still in the green for the day, so I can't complain. But dang, you know, it happens, my friend. Tried to long. I longed this wick, and I was actually in profit. I could have taken literally $1,000 out of that long, but I lost $1,000, bro. My take profit was almost hit. Like, man, just almost hit, missed by a few dollars. You know, happens, guys. So risk management is key. Can't be risking more than 1% of your stack per trade. Honestly, that's the only way. It's the only way. It's the only way. Shout out to James Palmer. Yeah, shout out to Sam. You the man, Sam. Sam, do you think we're gonna bounce from here? Cause I'm looking for lower now. I was just saying this looks kind of bullish. We have some low time frame bullish divergences. We have come to an area of support. Right, the Fibonacci 786. Right, we're at support. We've got some low time frame bullish divergences here. You know. But I'm waiting for lower now, which probably means we're gonna pump, because you know my longs have been getting front run, and then the longs that I do enter get wrecked. You know, it's been one of those weeks. I was gonna long this yesterday. I was planning to, and I decided not to. I thought we were gonna come lower. Then I longed this today and got stopped out like a fool. All right, I do see bullish divergences on the 12-minute. I see them on the 24-minute. I see them on the 12. I see them on the 24. We've got some slightly bullish CVD here too, you know. OI going down. You know. If we pump from here, we know why, right? If we pump from here, we know why. But you know what, guys? I'm not taking it long now. I'm gonna wait and be patient. All right, I'm gonna wait and be patient. I'm already in multiple longs. There's no need to FOMO. Shout out to Crypto Lifer. Hit 12 longs in a row, 12 days straight. That's awesome, man. That's legit. Trigger wave on the 15-minute chart in 13 minutes. Let's check the trigger wave. Yeah, potentially. It looks nice to me, actually. It actually looks nice in the sense that the money flow over time here is getting higher. After we formed a really nice bottom right here. After we formed a really nice bottom here. I need some kind of better entry. I'm that kind of trader. I need some kind of trigger that's going to get me into a position here, like the CDW got me into that other position. You know. Shout out to Sam. Shout out to Crypto Lifer. He is on fire with the trades. Everyone, go make sure to subscribe and like all his videos. Shout out to Steven. He says we're going to test 25K again. All right, well, let's see if we get to our target of at least 27,150 here. Right? See if we get to our target of 27,150. That's our next target. Hey, our next target, baby. Shout out to Dang Man, how you doing? Shout out to Creighton C. Shout out to Miguel N. Yeah, liquidations are good triggers. Right now we just got low volume, we're chopping around. Yeah, we bounced from the 786. We haven't changed the market structure. I'm gonna wait for some kind of trigger. Get me into a long trade here. I have no reason to FOMO. I'm in 3 Bitcoin longs right now. Alright, so if we pump, my Bitcoin longs are still open. So, I can always even add to an open position if I, in hindsight, see that it was obviously a nice bounce, you know? Is it good or not to use Heikin-Ashi? It really depends on what you want to do. It depends on what you want to do, right? I don't like Heikin-Ashi. Some people do. Shout out to Shaukat Ali. What's the site you were using with the footprint? It's ExoCharts. Do you know the story of Elliot? He used to live in Mexico. How crazy. I think he waved at me one time. Elliot waved right at me. 5-minute bull divs on Bitcoin. Bullish div on the 5-minute. Let's check it out. Yeah, we've got bullish divs on multiple time frames. We got a bullish div on the 24-minute. On the 24-minute, we've got a bullish div, guys. But, Let's see. Let's actually see here. Okay. We want to be aware of that. We want to be aware of that. And we want to be aware of this box. Those are the only three places I'm interested. Honestly. These are the only three places I'm interested. Alright? Those are the only three places I'm interested. Man, this music is getting me amped up, though. I'm gonna speed up the treadmill a little bit here. Is crypto face long or short? Man, we've got bull dips starting to form here, guys. That makes me think if we drop into our box, we could get a nice bounce-a-roni. He's long from 26.9. Oh, okay. That's not bad. I'm also long from 26.7, so let's see what happens here. 26.9 is actually key support. I'm actually looking to long 26.9 again. He was... Oh, wow, he was asleep on the stream. That's crazy. That's wild, man. Alright. Shout out to Abdel. 10,000 Bitcoin buy order sitting at 26.9. I mean, that is a key level, you know? That really is a key level. I'm definitely interested in that level, for sure. Alright, guys. Well, it's been a great stream. But unfortunately, I do have to head out and get some work done on the homestead. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching the Flop and Grope Show with Jason Casper. Guys, may the Lord bless you all. May He protect you. May He shine light upon you. May He have grace upon you. May the Lord turn His face towards you and give you wholeness. In Jesus' name, even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed. And I will see everybody in the next stream. Peace!